All right. Do you like visiting the cafes?
Yes, I like the visiting the cafe because there are so much variety of foods and some drinking drinks and which thing I have to drink.
All right. I mean, look, the way you are trying to express yourself, you have put yourself in a complex situation. My question is, do you like going to the cafes? You say, yes, I love to go to the cafes, especially with my friends, because I like tea and coffee very much. So, whenever I want to meet with my friends, I invite them to cafes. Your ideas should be simple. If you come up with complex ideas, you will run out of vocabulary, ideas, sentence structure. In the end, you will say what to say now. So it's better to celebrate your birthday. Okay? Yes. Again, do you like going to the cafes?
Yes, of course. When I have free time, I I go with my friends to the cafe to buy some drinks or some other things which I have like,
Which I like.
which I like.
Okay. What's your favorite restaurant and why?
My favorite restaurant is
Come on, you don't have to think. My favorite restaurant is Baba Restaurant. I like it very much. My favorite restaurant is Cafe Today. Yeah.
my favorite restaurant is a uh, Baba
Yeah,
restaurant.
anything. Come on.
Sorry,
Yeah.
sir.
Don't think. Don't see. Huh? You can say chacha, mama, dada, baba. But it's good that if you talk about something English, right? My favorite restaurant is Paradise, right? My favorite restaurant is Eat and Enjoy. They will not say, okay, where is Eat and Enjoy, huh? They will not come to ask you. So you need to answer. So again, what's your favorite restaurant?
My favorite restaurant is a Baba restaurant. When I free,
When I'm free, I go to that restaurant.
I go to that restaurant to take some food with
Good.
my friends and whatever.
Okay, good. Do you prefer to eat at home or in the restaurant?
Normally, I prefer to eat at my home because it is sorry, sir.
No, I'm telling you, listen, you need to simplify your ideas. The way you think, it's quite complicated, right? So, number one, simplify your ideas. Number two, practice all these topics so that you know if they ask you about restaurant, I will talk about this. You need to do a lot of practice.
Sir, I have no any problem to understand what you
Yeah,
saying
good.
and other people. But when I try to speak in
That's the
English,
main thing.
all the vocabulary,
Practice.
grammar,
See, now you are speaking English and now you are speaking better. Okay? So try to relax your nerves when you are speaking English. It'll be fine. Okay? All right, let's go on there.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, you are left too. Okay. In what type of situation do you prefer to use a computer? Or when do you use a computer?
As like the other students, I often like to use my computer when I have an assignment from my professor, because you can use different websites or softwares on your computer for your completion of assignment.
Okay. Do you prefer to use computer or mobile phone?
I like to prefer mobile phones. I prefer to use mobile phones because it's easy to take everywhere, and whenever you want to use, you just put your hand in your pocket, and that's done.
Why do you think students need computers?
Some of the students need computers because because some softwares are really updated and tough. You
Just
can't.
simply say they have to make their assignments. Students have to make their assignments. Sometimes they need to make PowerPoints. So in order to
PowerPoint
make PowerPoint, they use computer, something like that.
for editing the videos for their YouTube channels,
Yeah.
like etc.
But we are talking about students, okay? Yeah, if they
Yeah.
are doing any social media course, so there they can edit videos for all that. So you try
Okay.
to keep your ideas simple and focus the question.
Okay.
Whatever the question is, you need to answer. And one more thing, that is fluency. Practice.
Thank
Okay?
thank you so much, sir.
Good. Jazakallah. Let's go on. What kind of things are boring for you?
Uh, so there are so many things boring us. It can be the movie which are which is not a very good idea about the film, and you can bore it. You can watch when you
No,
when
the
you
question is, what kind of things are boring for you? You can say, well, if I do one thing again and again, that becomes boring for me. If I watch a movie second time or third time, it is quite boring for me. Secondly, if I'm studying, doing anything related to my studies, that is quite boring for me. So such type of things which I have to do repeatedly become boring for me. Something like that, okay? All right, let's go on. What do you do when you feel bored?
when I get bored, I go to outside the area. I go to park. I play sports. I play cricket as well as football, tennis.
Okay, what was the most boring thing in your childhood?
Uh, the most boring thing in my childhood was to live in a house
Okay.
because my mother was very strict,
Okay.
and she never go to
She never allowed
allowed
me
me to
to go
go
outside.
outside.
So when I was small,
Small.
staying at home was the boring thing for me. All right, let's go on. Do you think school is a boring place?
No, no, I don't think so. School is a very good place because we learn a lot of things from school. We get social skills. Uh, 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 we meet our school fellows. We meet teachers, and
Okay, what do you do when you feel bored on the weekends?
whenever I feel bored at the weekends, I usually watch the movies at night. Watch movies on cinemas with my friends and families.
How many families do you have?
I have
One
two kids.
family.
Yes.
Yeah, one family. You said with my friends and families. It should be family.
Family.
Okay?
Okay.
Well, overall good, but you need practice and ideas, right? And remember, keep your ideas simple, and you can practice like this from the book. Read a question and answer. Then again, read a question and then answer. This is how you can make yourself familiar with all these questions, okay? You need to give time to IELTS. Then you will get the required band, okay?
Okay, sir.
That's good.
Right.
Thank you.